So your email is not going through, right? Here is how you can fix it. In this video, I will show you some basic solution. By that, you can fix the problem. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and boost your business. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get 30 days free trial link, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link and grab the offer. Let's get back to the video. So to fix the problem, the email not sending, you have to be on your GoHighLevel account by just logging in. So if I move on this marketing, you can see there is option for the email, but there is not any option to fix the problem. Okay, you can see there is not any problem fixing option or setting or something like that. So what you can do, first of all, you have to make sure that your domain is connected with your GoHighLevel account and obviously it's verified. So to do that, just click on these settings and you can see there is option for the domain or the URL redirect. So click on this and you can see we have added a domain, but it's not verified yet. So the email is not sending properly. So to verify this, just click on this manage, and from here you can see the verification pending. What you can do, you have to be on the domain page, like from where you just bought your domain, let's say Namecheap or the GoDaddy. So go to there, but before that, here you have to be on this page, like the auto configure or the verify domain. So if I click on this auto configure domain, you can see there is option to add record manually. So click on that and copy this value here and paste it on your domain server. And then if you click on this verify records, it will take some time and your domain will be verified. And there is another option. Let's reload this page before. Now you can see there is option for the verify domain. If you click this, it will send a notification or this record in your domain. You can go there and simply verify them. After doing this, or if you already verified your domain and again you are not able to send the email, then you have to go back and go to the marketing or the email and just click on this campaigns. And here you have to check your emails or the campaigns that you have properly written your email address and there is not any spelling mistake. Here make sure you have written your email properly. You can see it's our verified, mail, so there is not any problem. And if you use any automation, then you can go there and check that, so if you did any mistake or not. So I think by adding your domain and after verifying that, it will not going to make any problem to send your email. So after that, you can check your email address if you have written properly or not. So I hope this will help you to fix the problem. So if your problem is fixed, then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.